Imagine this: before the world starts pulling at you, before notifications, before stress, before responsibilities. There's a short window every morning where you can decide how your entire day is going to feel. Most people sleep through that power. Today, I want to show you how to use it. Because a healthy life doesn't start with big promises or extreme plans. It starts with how you begin your morning. Now let's be honest, mornings can feel rough. The alarm goes off, you're half awake. And the first instinct is to grab your phone. But here's the thing, how you spend the first hour after waking up sets the tone for your energy, your focus, your mood, and even your food choices for the rest of the day. So instead of rushing, imagine easing into your morning with intention, calm, and purpose. The moment you wake up, before jumping out of bed, take a deep breath. Just one slow inhale through your nose, and a long exhale through your mouth. This simple act tells your nervous system that you're safe, that there's no emergency. It helps reduce that morning stress feeling and brings you fully into the present moment. Then gently stretch your body, nothing fancy. Reach your arms overhead, stretch your legs, rotate your ankles and wrists. You're telling your body, hey, it's time to wake up. Once you're out of bed, hydration is key. Your body has been without water for hours, and even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and foggy. A glass of water first thing in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism, supports digestion, and improves energy. If you like, add a squeeze of lemon, not for magic, but simply because it encourages you to drink more water and feels refreshing. Now, before the day gets loud, give your mind a few minutes of quiet. This doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for just 2 to 5 minutes. If thoughts come up, that's okay, let them pass. This short moment of stillness helps improve focus, emotional balance, and mental clarity. Think of it as brushing your mind just like you brush your teeth. After that, it's time to gently wake up your body with movement. You don't need an intense workout unless you enjoy it. A short walk, light yoga, mobility exercises, or even a few minutes of bodyweight movements can increase blood flow, improve flexibility, and boost mood. Morning movement releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and it helps you feel more alert and confident as the day begins. Then comes one of the most important parts, fueling your body properly. A balanced breakfast gives your body the nutrients it needs to function well. Focus on including protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This combination keeps you full longer, stabilizes blood sugar, and prevents energy crashes later in the day. And remember, eating mindfully matters. Try not to rush. Even a few calm bites can make a difference. Now let's talk about your mindset. Before diving into work or responsibilities, take a minute to set an intention for the day. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? Calm, focused, energized, grateful. This simple question shifts your brain from autopilot into awareness. You can also name one thing you're grateful for. Gratitude may sound simple, but it has a powerful effect on mental health and overall happiness. So tomorrow morning, instead of hitting snooze and rushing out the door, remember this: your morning is not just the start of your day, it's the foundation of your health. Take control of it, protect it, and let it work for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and share this with someone who wants to build a healthier, more balanced life. Your best days start in the morning.